Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is this week's breakfast meal prep video. So we're having keto recipes this week. Check out my lunch video from earlier today. It's chicken parmesan with zucchini noodles, so check that video out. And now we're going to meal prep our breakfast for this week. We're going to have a keto breakfast casserole. It'll have eggs, sausage, chopped frozen spinach, cheddar cheese. I'm going to use heavy whipping cream, some garlic powder, and some red pepper flakes. So I have the oven heating to 400 degrees, and we'll make this up in the casserole dish and we'll put it in the oven to cook. And then we'll portion it out into our meal prep containers and breakfast will be ready for the week. All right, so I'm going to use regular Jimmy Dean sausage for the breakfast casserole. So I'm going to put it in the pan, we'll break it up and cook it. So the sausage is all cooked. It's broken up into tiny pieces. So now I'm going to make the egg mixture for the breakfast casserole and we will add the sausage into it. All right, so for the casserole, we're going to use frozen chopped spinach. I have 2 cups. I have 1 cup of shredded cheese. I'm going to use 9 eggs. I have half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. A greased Pyrex baking dish. I'm going to pour the mixture into the baking dish and I'll spread it out a little bit. And so now I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, so the breakfast casserole is out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool for 10 minutes to make sure it's nice and set up before we portion it into our meal prep containers for the week. All right, so I'm going to cut the casserole into serving sizes. It's gonna make 6 servings here. And then I'm going to put it into our meal prep containers. So our breakfast meal prep is done for the week. We have a super healthy and easy keto breakfast casserole with sausage and spinach. I'm using the same containers that I use for the lunch meal prep. They're perfect size. And check the description box for the recipe for this and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the little subscribe button, so that you don't miss my other weekly breakfast and lunch meal prep videos. Check out my video from earlier today. I did a keto chicken parmesan video. It is delicious. So check that one out as well, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.